Today's unboxing is this Mulberry silk pillowcase from John Lewis. Slightly glossy cover, so this is a single pillowcase in bright white. It looks kind of slightly a warmer colour actually. It looks more of an ivory, but this is the bright white colour. Standard size, it's quite hard to see with the reflection. Mulberry silk pillowcase, the ultimate collection. Blissfully smooth and naturally breathable silk bed linen is renowned for its skin and hair benefits, feeling luxurious and smooth to the touch. So nice presentation package. This is the back. Made in China, 100% organic mulberry silk. Machine washable at 40 degrees. Not sure what these other things mean. What else have we got on here? Recycled packaging. Natural bed linen is hyperallergenic and breathable, made from the highest quality mulberry silk for a beautifully smooth feel. Non-absorbent silk actively maintains skin and hair's moisture levels overnight to help minimize wrinkles and hair static. So when it says highest quality, I'm sure it is very high quality, but this is a 19 Momme, I think. You also get 22 Momme and 30 Momme silk, so you can get sort of there's a quality of the silk, but then there's the density as well, which is the Momme. So this is a 19 Momme. So nice and easy to get open with just a little kind of sticky glued envelope. If we slide it out, remove the packaging, and we are left with a card. So it's just a card. Pop that down. We've got some nice. This is actually really nice opening. Actually, wouldn't expect it from a pillowcase. So this is bright white, but it does actually feel more of an ivory, or looks more of an ivory. If I take the packaging, you can kind of see it's a slightly warmer colour, but it's a really nice colour. How does this feel? It feels really nice. It does feel really nice. I actually like the colour, although it's supposed to be bright white and it's this kind of ivory. I actually wanted something that's quite a bit more ivory, a bit warmer. So this is really good. Well, let's have a look, see whether it's envelope or zip. So this one is envelope. If we open up the end, we can see there's a little envelope to pop your pillow in. But this looks great. Quite thin material. It's the 19 Momme. Let's give it a night's sleep and see how it does. Really nice material. Actually quite impressed by this. Can't remember how much these were. I think it was about $40, $50, something like that. But quality feels great. Haven't obviously used it yet, but I think I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Really good.